When you want content quality, there's one place I'd rather be. Travel over land and overseas, watching the Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family. The Delpratt family.
Hey guys.
Hey, what's up?
So we are actually in St. Mary, and it's a pretty good road. Like, yeah, St. Mary, I'm going with things on that road here.
Yeah.
Very close to Ocho Rios. We are like what, 15 minutes
from Ocho.
From Ocho Rios.
Yeah. This is the road that links St. Mary to Ocho Rios. To be honest, the first time I'm driving on this side.
Yeah.
Alright, you can see what I go on, you know?
Yeah.
With the road and thing.
We're at Tower Isles right now. Yeah, I have to say I like the location. I like right here, you know. Very it's a very resort feel. Water's edge and all that. So yeah, we're good. We really enjoy driving on this road. You know, we like scenic places, so
we live for that.
Yeah.
Yeah guys. So the season are treat to know. Can let us know in the comments, you know, what you guys been doing for the holidays.
Yeah.
Alright, see, we work hard to get the vlogs out to you guys. Alright, you know, we have some road trips to make some time, but we always bring you guys along with us, you know. You know, so the thing go, you know?
Yep.
Yeah man, cause you know, we appreciate the love and support you guys has given us.
Yeah.
You know, throughout this 2020.
Yep.
Right?
True.
Yeah man.
So yeah, it's a pretty good scenery. Pretty good view. Sometimes we are not used to seeing this side of Jamaica. Jamaica has some pretty good roads, pretty good communities. So yeah, when we do see them and find them, we want to show them to y'all.
You're not a scenic man.
Yeah.
Guys, for the persons watching who are used to this, you know, them probably say, oh, them frightening. But trust me.
Not really frightening, but let me tell you. Sometimes some persons can paint a picture of Jamaica to be this place that is underdeveloped and bad and horrid, and you know, and we have to just showcase Jamaica, you know. So we're not saying that Jamaica is full of saints, but we're just saying we're good down here, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yep. So guys, how the sorrel are going? I realize that we can hardly get sorrel, you know.
Yeah, we actually went to the market last night. So we went to the market in the night, guys. You know, we try to carry, you know, make you see what night market is like.
Late evening, yeah.
Late evening, but you know, it's now December time, so by the time you're quint, the sun is down. Dark. So we're literally in the market at night. But it was good. We didn't get any sorrel, but we ended up getting some green gungo, which was really good because green gungo scarce nowadays. True. Apparently.
But we get a couple pounds at the unshell one and about a pint at the shell one.
At the shell one, because it was so late, we couldn't wait for her to actually sell it for us. So me and the agent are gonna do that, or other agent's gonna try his hand at it, you know. So yeah, it was actually good. Going to the market last night. The prices though, some things the prices are just so high. Ridiculously high. Like tomato was how much per pound, babe?
Tomato like about $500, $400 for tomato.
No, $500. Yeah.
A pound, yeah.
A pound.
Hey, but some things cheaper than you guys probably noticed. We did a vlog some time ago. Coronation Market shopping.
Yeah, so some things are cheaper. Like for example, lettuce. Like at that time, lettuce was like $600 to $1,000. Now lettuce is like $80.
Sorry,
like $80. Like when the man said $80, we say, what do you mean 80? Just to make sure, you know. So yeah, so there some things are still reasonable, which is good because you know we had some really bad rains in Jamaica, and that has really devastated our farmers and our farming communities. So grown produce is on the high this Christmas, so we were really grateful. And you know what too, we went downtown in the night and we avoided all the crowd, and that was what I wanted. Yeah,
true. Like realize when they go downtown, when they go in the market late, less crowd and the price them alright.
Because it's late at night and they must say, alright, one last sale for the night, you know. So it was good.
Yeah,
it was good. So now we're almost reached back in our Ochi, babe.
Yeah, almost back in Ochi.
Yeah, we're almost back in Ochi.
Yeah. There's this left turn right up there that take to go to Blue Hole. Right,
Yeah.
from Ochi it would be a right turn. We always, if you go Blue Hole or you go Hidden Beauty or Spanish Bridge, see, so we are now in St. Ann. See the sign there, guys?
The sign.
Yeah, we're now in St. Ann. Right, so so the left turn right there. So
yeah, so it's basically on the edge of St. Ann.
yeah. Right, so guys, if you now go Blue Hole or now go Spanish Bridge or now go Hidden Beauty, it'll be this left turn
right here.
Right there. You know, left turn at the stoplight. I'm always come at a stoplight to come by ice and whatever.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Real.
Yeah, man. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna have some lunch now. We're gonna look some lunch.
Yeah, we're gonna look some food.
Yeah, in Ocho. What you want? Which way I go by?
I want to go to a steakhouse. Didn't you see a steakhouse thing up there?
You see the sign, but we never see the place. You see the place?
I saw it on Google Maps.
Oh.
Yeah. We're very adventurous, so we like to go in search of stuff apparently.
Yeah.
Apparently that's a thing that we do.
Yeah.
And we enjoy doing.
Yeah.
Going in search of places. So yeah.
So we're in Ocho now almost, guys, so we're sure we can find food for it.
Yeah, man.
You know? No, me a seafood lover still, you know. I love seafood. Seafood are my thing.
He loves fish. Like fish.
Yeah, love fish.
It's like I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna insert a picture that I took of him on his birthday. So we actually went to a seafood restaurant and suppose you must see our agent deal with the fish. Suppose you must see the fish bone them. Jesus. I mean like the fish head and everything, you know, clean like that footage there. I'm gonna insert that picture there because I had to take a picture of that. That was like
man.
That was like something, you know, we did have to take a picture. You know, so him like fish. Yeah. Alright, so stay tuned guys.
Yep. Alright, I guess I eat this.
Yeah.
Guess I eat this.
I guess we are here. Yes, we are here. We are here.
See the breeze.
Yeah.
I just the sound of the name you like. What about it? Or you feel like you want to come here?
Because you said you'd want to eat some seafood and it has steakhouse attached and I will eat a steak. So it seems as if it's perfect, right?
Alright.
Yeah.
Cool.
So you get your seafood, I get my steak.
Alright.
Very good.
Alright.
Alright, so let's go.
Let's see the menu. I'm not sure if I get the seafood. Let's see what I go on the menu first. Hey guys, so we're actually at the steakhouse. Alright. Just gone to the restroom. You know, so I'm just here waiting. So this is what it's like. I don't call it Spring Garden Seafood and Steakhouse. Like a nice little cozy dining kind of, you know, you have servers and stuff like that. Right on the side of the main road between, I don't know what you call out here, so, but yeah, right outside of Ochi, right on the main. Right, the same road that you drive to go to St. Mary. So we're out here. We're out here, you know? Yeah. There she is. Alright, so we're going to see if we can put in an order now, eh?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey guys, so we eventually found the restaurant. So we are just waiting. Waiting on our meal to come.
Yep.
Enjoying the ambiance.
Yeah, nice little setting, you know?
Here you go. Thank you very much.
What are that chicken, curry chicken, some curry cream chicken, something like that name? You know?
Normally I'll be a pasta girl, but I think that's probably one of the things that is changing about me. I'm into the mashed potato right now.
Thank you.
You are most welcome.
Yep. Soup smells nice though. Tastes nice. Good. Good to hear that.
Garlic bread.
Alright.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Yes, sir.
Thick though. Full of body.
Yeah.
good. You tried it? It's pretty good. Good vibe, you know?
Yeah. Kind of excuse from the bread though. Come like communion. One is a piece.
Thank you. Mine is spicy.
I'm just messy.
Oh, oh God. You see your gear heart attack, you know.
You should find that you're very fast.
Boss, you should like pepper more so.
Are you going to be having any drinks with your meal tonight?
Yes. We can have you see you have a drink menu separately? Yeah, man. Cool. The lighting over here no bad still, so it can work it out. Actually look nice. Coconut curry themselves.
I'm jealous. You have more chicken than me.
Guys, what do you think?
Of course it is.
Alright. There you go. Food look nice though. Food look nice. Ready? These are like how me that cook it at home. Or maybe a little less, to be honest. Little less. Yeah. Because I know Jaden has one. But Jaden, we have to put Jaden too, so we wouldn't really make it too spicy because Jaden doesn't want any essence when I eat the food, you know. Eat pepper. Jaden like legit. Jaden will eat and left meat. I never see a kid yet to eat and left meat. Just tell the boy pick me. Eat and left meat? My God.
Like them, man. Guys, let me tell you, I am into sweet drinks. This is not sweet though, but this is one of the things that I actually like. I like grapefruit juice, like grapefruit sodas, and I like, since recently, I love ginger beer. Like ginger beer is, you know, my thing. But apart from ginger beer, I love sweet juice. Like
Sweet juice. And before when I drink juice, really, normally.
I'm not a juice person, but normally I'm a dessert person. So now normally I'll be like, where's my dessert? And now I'm like, I'll pass on the dessert, but where's my juice? Seriously, where's my juice?
What's you go after you deliver?
Hopefully I go back to normal, because I'm gonna like that sweet juice something here.
What about calories?
Yeah.
What about calories?
Going back to my keto. Yeah. I'm taking Adrian with me.
Yeah guys, so the evening I wind down, you know? You see me? You know, we hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely.
Another one of our adventurous days, especially like this is, I feel like this is really us there.
Yeah man.
We like going, exploring, looking for places.
Yeah.
I think that's our thing.
We're good with that.
Yeah.
So even when we're up on a mission, we detour for the mission and go exploring and we that.
But it has always been us though.
Yeah man.
Like even from the first stages of our relationship, we're always the one like going in search of a river, going in search of a beach, going in search of something.
Some place. Yeah.
Yep.
So, you know the routine, guys.
Subscribe.
Yep.
Give us a thumbs up.
Yep.
Right, turn that black, right? And hit the most notification bell so you know every time we post a video.
Yeah.
Bye y'all.
Yeah, guys. Peace out.